Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to work in Google Drive, or what is the Google Drive, or how we can use the Google Drive. So let's start with the video guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive guys. So I am going to show you in beginning. So let me open google.com. So as you know, google.com is a search engine. This is the main site of Google, and Google has the many service. Like if you click on it, so here you can see the Google has like YouTube, Google Business, Play Store, News, Meet, Drive. So there is a lots of service Google has providers, and there is a out of these, the Google Drive is the one of it. So Google is a cloud space provider. So it is a like space provider from Google. It's called Google Drive. So let it open first. Okay, you have to use you need one Google account or Gmail account to use any Google service. You can use all Google service with the one Gmail ID or Google ID. So you have to first log in with your Google ID, and then you have to you can open the Google Drive. And Google Drive, you can see this is the interface of Google Drive, and you can see there is a you can see in my Google Drive I have saved my folders. I have created some folder. I have uploaded the videos. Okay, so there is a lots of benefits of Google Drive. You can save or you backup your data in Google Drive. You can use from anywhere. Okay, if you lost your data from your computer or mobile, so it will be available here. If you have automatically backup your data, or you have manually backup your data in your Google Drive, so you can download it again and you can use it again. You can share the files from Google Drive. You can share up to more than 25 MB files, which is not possible on Gmail. When you try to send any file which is more than 25 MB on Gmail, it will be sent by Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive, you can share the files folder via links. Okay, you can share the folders and files via email ID. Okay, and there is a lots of service in Google Drive. If you click on this new file, here you can see you can create a new folder. You can create the new files. You can upload the files from your computer. You can upload the folder from your computer. There is a lots. There is a another application which is connected to Google Drive, which is Google Docs. Okay, you can create the new Google Docs from here. This is Google Sheet, Google Slide, and Google Form. Google Form is a very important to create, to collect data or create the registration form. So if you go in more, here you can see there is an add-on you can use. There is a lots of add-on you can this is my edit add-on, but if you want to find add-on, you can click on this plus icon, which is on right side sidebar. And okay, so this is top up will be, this window will be open. This is like application, or you can say add-on. So let it open. You can see there. So here you can see you can find the add-on or application for your every needs. Okay, so you can check out. Okay, so as I told you, you can also backup your computer data. So here you can see there is a computer option, and here you can backup your computer data automatically. Okay, you can create the folder. You can backup your computer folders automatically to your Google Drive. Okay, you have to, for that you need to download the Google Drive application for your computer. If you go in Google and type here download Google Drive for your PC, then you have the first link will become, you have to click on it. And yeah, from Google Drive you can download this application from your desktop. So as my desktop, you can see I have this application, and I have logged in with my email ID. And you can see if I go in preference, here you can see I have already one folder from my computer which is automatically backed up to my my Google Drive account. Okay, so whenever I add something in this folder, or whatever I change is if I change anything in my files, if I change anything in my Excel file, that it will be automatically update, and it will be automatically upload in this folder in Google Drive. Okay, you can add account from here. You can add multiple account. Okay, so whatever you backup, auto backup from computer, you will find here. So third option is share with me. Share with me option, where you can find the folders and file which is shared by others. Okay, As I told you, you can share the files by link and email ID. So you can share files. I show you, if I go in my drive and I can upload the new file from here. As I told you, you can upload a new file or folder from your device, and you can create a new files like Google Docs, Sheet and all, and you can also create a new folder and you can share it. So if I select any folder and if I click on, there is a two option, as I told you, link. Okay, you can create the link. Okay, so here you can see, if I want to share this folder via link, then I have to click on link. So this link have to copy. Okay, before that you can change this restricted anyone with this link. So okay, if you share this link with the restricted mode, then they need the access permission. Okay, so you have to add person here, email ID. You have to add email ID here, then you can copy this line, share this person. Okay, if you want to don't want to, if you want to share this link to anyone, like they don't need to access permission, so just keep with anyone on this link and just copy the link and share. And here you can see that there is a three permission, as I told you: viewer, commenter, as editor. Viewers means people can only view, commenters mean people can comments on your file, or editor means they can add, edit file, or they can organize your file. Okay, so if you want to only view this file to by others people, just make viewer and then copy the links, and you can share on any platform. You can share on Gmail, Messenger, WhatsApp. Okay, so there's another option, as I told you, which is share with me. So you can share file or folder with Google Drive only, so people can access and you can access as a team. Okay, if I want to share this folder to my team, so I have to click on this share. The same window will be open. Okay, let it open first. Okay, so this is me, which is I'm owner. I can I have add the one person as a viewer, so this person will find this file on this tab. Okay, so if you share like this, you can add up to 50 email ID here. Okay, you can add 50 email ID and make the permission as a viewer or editor, whatever, and just send. After send, this person will get this file in share with me tab. Okay, because as I told you, the share with me tab, which is where you can find only files and folder which is shared by others. Okay, so recent is a the recent tab is a where you can find the recent, open it or edited files. Here you can see today I just open this file or edit this file. Started means the started file, the which file you have make the important or started. So in my drive I have many folders and file. I can make it as a started, so I have to just click on it and just right click on it, and I can make as a started. So it will be add, it will be show in started. Okay, and I will find the started folder here. You can see in trash, whatever I delete from my Go drive, it will be moved to the trash and it will be here for 30 days. And you can delete from your trash, like recycling bin, from like recycling bin of desktop. Okay, so whatever you delete, it will be moved the trash, and you can delete from here also. It will be here for 30 days. You can restore if you want it. Okay, so Google Drive, as I told you, Google Drive has many features and many application you can use for. So as for now, I think it is done. I hope you like this video. Please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.